In today's highly competitive digital services landscape, freelancers and agencies must provide more than just attractive web designs or development skills. One of the most valuable services they can offer clients is web hosting, especially when done through white label platforms. In this video, we delve into the best web hosting solutions for agencies and freelancers in 2025, with a focus on white label capabilities, scalability, support, pricing, and ease of use. Why hosting matters for agencies and freelancers? For web agencies and freelance developers, offering hosting is a natural extension of their core services. By bundling design, development, and hosting together, service providers can maintain long-term client relationships, generate recurring revenue, and provide clients with a streamlined experience. In contrast, handing off hosting to a third party removes control and introduces variables that can affect performance, security, or uptime. White label hosting platforms allow you to rebrand control panels, issue invoices under your own name, set your own pricing, and fully control client access. These platforms act as infrastructure as a service IS providers while leaving the branding, client communication, and value proposition entirely in your hands. This model is not only lucrative, but also establishes you as a full-service digital provider. Number 1. Cloudways. Best for managed hosting and client control. Cloudways has rapidly become a go-to solution for agencies and tech-savvy freelancers who want performance and flexibility without the headache of managing physical servers. Built on top of top-tier cloud infrastructure providers like DigitalOcean, AWS, Google Cloud, Linode, and Voltron, Cloudways offers managed hosting with the ease of white labeling. You can manage multiple client applications through one dashboard, assign access roles, and even set up separate projects for better organization. While Cloudways doesn't offer native white label dashboards, many agencies use its custom SMTP and branding features combined with third-party platforms to create a client-facing interface. Cloudways supports all major CMSs including WordPress, Magento, and Laravel, and offers features like staging environments, auto-scaling, free SSL, automated backups, and one-click cloning. You pay only for what you use, which is perfect for growing agencies that want granular control over resource usage. Number 2. SiteGround Reseller Hosting. Best for user-friendliness. SiteGround offers a fantastic reseller program tailored to agencies that value performance and simplicity. With Google Cloud infrastructure powering its servers, SiteGround ensures excellent speed, security, and uptime for all hosted sites. What makes SiteGround stand out for agencies is its Site Tools dashboard, which can be white labeled to reflect your branding. Each client gets their own access panel if you choose, and you retain full administrative control. The reseller program uses a credit-based system. Each SiteGround hosting credit covers 1 year of hosting for one site, so it's predictable and scalable. With daily backups, managed WordPress support, integrated CDN, and proactive security, SiteGround enables freelancers to offer premium hosting without having to manage the technical backend themselves. Their 24/7 support is also white label friendly, meaning they won't reveal SiteGround branding when helping your clients directly. Number 3. Flywheel Growth Suite. Tailored for creative agencies. Flywheel, a division of WP Engine, is known for its beautifully designed and easy-to-use managed WordPress hosting. Its growth suite is designed specifically for freelancers and small agencies looking to grow their client base while maintaining a premium brand image. With Flywheel Growth Suite, you get white label client dashboards, automated invoicing, subscription management, and performance monitoring tools, all under your agency's brand. It's not just hosting, it's an all-in-one business management solution for WordPress-focused professionals. Hosting on Flywheel includes features like free SSL, daily backups, staging environments, collaboration tools, and an intuitive UI that clients love. Flywheel also boasts top-notch customer support, excellent performance, and optimized server environments, specifically for WordPress, making it a great option for agencies that work exclusively with that CMS. Number 4. Green Geeks Reseller Hosting. Eco-friendly with white label options. For agencies and freelancers looking to build a green, sustainable brand, Green Geeks provides one of the most eco-friendly reseller hosting platforms on the market. Their hosting is powered by renewable energy credits and offsets 300% of the energy consumed. The Green Geeks reseller hosting plans include cPanel/WHM access, white label branding, and WHMCS integration for billing automation and client management. You can host unlimited websites under multiple cPanel accounts, making it easy to manage multiple clients independently. Security features include nightly backups, real-time malware scanning, and free Let's Encrypt (SSL). With SSD storage, light-speed caching, and Cloudflare CDN, GreenGeeks ensures speedy site performance. It's a great choice for eco-conscious agencies who want all the features of traditional hosting with the added bonus of sustainability. Number 5. InMotion Hosting Reseller. Excellent for WHMCS integration. InMotion Hosting is a well-established name in the web hosting space, and reseller hosting plans are robust, secure, and highly customizable. They include white label cPanel and WHM, free WHMCS licenses, and dedicated IP addresses, allowing you to fully customize the client experience. Their plans are geared towards performance with NVMe SSD storage, free SSL, email accounts, and secure SSH access. For agencies looking to automate billing and domain management, the WHMCS integration is a major plus, saving time and reducing errors. Another strong point of InMotion is its excellent US-based support and long-standing reputation for reliability. Whether you're hosting 10 sites or 100, the platform scales with you and provides the tools needed for agency growth. Number 6. Rocket.net. Speed and security for WordPress agencies. Rocket.net has emerged as a high-performance managed WordPress hosting provider aimed squarely at agencies and freelancers who need to deliver fast, secure, and worry-free websites to clients. It runs entirely on Cloudflare Enterprise, meaning every site is instantly protected and accelerated across 250+ global edge locations. For white labeling, Rocket.net allows agencies to white label their dashboard, provide access to branded client portals, and set custom domain names for management panels. The ease of deployment is impressive. New sites can be launched in seconds with automatic optimization features like image compression, edge caching, and security firewalls. Rocket.net includes daily backups, real-time malware scanning, and staging environments. Although it's a bit more premium priced, agencies focused on WordPress performance, SEO, and security will find its feature set invaluable for client satisfaction. Number 7. Manage WP. Not hosting, but crucial for freelancers and agencies. While not a hosting provider itself, Manage WP deserves a place on this list due to its vital role in helping agencies manage multiple client websites efficiently. It allows you to connect and manage WordPress websites across different hosts from a single dashboard. You can white label your services, schedule reports, automate backups, update plugins/themes, and monitor security for dozens or even hundreds of websites. It integrates with popular hosts like SiteGround, Cloudways, and WP Engine, and is especially useful for agencies that allow clients to host with their own providers. Using Managed WP alongside your white-labeled hosting platform gives you complete visibility and control, which translates into proactive support and increased trust with clients. It turns hosting into a comprehensive website management service. Conclusion: building long-term value through white-label hosting. In 2025, agencies and freelancers are not just service providers, they are partners, strategists, and enablers for their clients' digital success. Offering web hosting as part of your service suite enhances client retention, strengthens your brand identity, and opens a consistent stream of recurring income. But to deliver on these promises, you need a hosting platform that's fast, secure, scalable, and most importantly, brandable. Whether you choose Cloudways for its cloud performance, SiteGround for ease of use, Flywheel for its agency-specific suite, or GreenGeeks for its eco-conscious approach, the right host can elevate your entire business model. Pair that with tools like Manage WP or WHMCS, and you'll not only host websites, you'll own the full digital experience for your clients. White label hosting is no longer a luxury, it's a strategic advantage. By choosing the right partner today, you can deliver value for years to come.